61A lecture number 33. Announcements. It's a busy week. Homework 8, which was published long ago, is finally due this Thursday. Homework 9, which was posted very recently, is due this Thursday. The scheme project is due next Tuesday, but you get an early bonus point for submitting by next Monday. Recall that 2 bonus points are automatically granted if you submit the project, and you get 1 bonus point of extra credit for finishing the extra credit question. If you want all 4, you do have to finish the extra credit question by next Monday. Due to the ongoing strike, all students will automatically receive attendance credit for Lab 12 if they complete Lab 12 from home by Wednesday. It's likely the case that if your lab GSI decides to go on strike, they will communicate with you and let you know so that you don't show up to an empty room. But I'm not sure that will happen. So if you decide to do lab from home this week, either because your lab is canceled or because you choose not to come to campus, you'll still get attendance credit, so it won't hurt your attendance score in the course. And I'll do my best to post some video material to help you through the lab if it turns out that lots of labs get canceled and students are trying to sort this out on their own. So stay tuned for that, but I think I'm going to wait until at least Tuesday night to see what labs actually occur. During the strike, you can expect that extension requests that you make through the contact form will be approved, even if you don't get a response. So if you need an extension on anything, submit a request, and it might take us longer than usual to respond, but you can expect that it will be approved up to 3 days. Extensions request longer than 3 days are typically not approved. I don't have any guidance at this point about which office hours will continue to be staffed and which won't. I'll continue to hold my instructor office hours. Some of these might get adjusted as we go forward, and it might be the case that advertised office hours don't have any staff in them. Apologies in advance if that happens to you, but we'll try to provide additional support where we can, and please let me know if something's not working. The last thing I'll say is that during the strike, it probably won't be effective to email your TA directly. Instead, I'd recommend at least copying cs61a@berkeley.edu on everything that you send, and I'll do my best to keep an eye on that. And now we get to learn about one of my favorite topics in the course, a topic that hasn't always been covered in the course because it's quite advanced, but it's one of the reasons that people enjoy using Scheme as a programming language so much. So I think it's good to learn about it, and that is macros.